Alright guys, I'm down here in South Florida once again. A good buddy of mine's lined us up with 3 great permissions for today. First, we've got a 1920s riverfront property. Then, we're going to be hitting this 1930s Spanish style bungalow. And last, we'll hit the mystery spot. Can you guess what this place used to be?
Let's do it.
Here we are, permission number 1. Now this should be an excellent permission. However, the guy owns an auto body shop in the backyard. He laughed at us when we asked permission and told us we'd find nothing but junk. Hopefully we can prove him wrong. Now the house was built in the 1920s, so there's a good chance there's coins from the 1800s here. Ah, nothing but junk. Oh well, on to the next one. This looks like some type of wheel to something. Garbage. Ah, nuts. Alright, this looks interesting. Looks like some type of vintage makeup. There's a name on it. I'll have to figure out what it says so when I get home I can do some research on it. I couldn't get an exact date on them, but it appears as if they're from the 50s. It's a lipstick container. Pretty cool. Well, that last permission was a bust. The property owner was right. There was just too much garbage there to find anything decent. Let's hope this second permission turns out better. The 1930s Spanish bungalow. Alright, first hit and I dig up a Wheatie. That's a good sign. The date on it is 1942. When I get home I'll have to do some research. I know there are a few key dates, and some of these Wheaties can be very valuable. You know, I still have a collection of old wheat pennies that I collected as a kid. You used to be able to find them in circulation. You don't very often anymore. Well, I spent about an hour working the side yard. I didn't find any more coins, and I was just turning up some trash. Here you can see the neighbor's house. I'm out back now, and I'm going to work underneath this clothesline. That could be a great place to find old coins.
An old fishing sinker.
What's this? Some type of handle to something. Just trash. Well, we spent a good 2 hours hunting this property. I didn't find anything else other than that wheat penny, just some garbage. My buddy found a 1954 silver quarter. I think he found another wheat penny and maybe some regular Lincolns. I'm not sure. But nothing great. So, it's getting late and we gotta start heading home. We still gotta hit the mystery spot on the way. Let's go. Whew! We made it. Permission number 3. The old drive-in movie theater. Did you guess it? This should be an excellent permission. But wait. You can see it's been landscaped over and there's an automotive dealership right in the main parking spot. Here's what it would have looked like back in the day. Now there's only a small area to detect in both the front and the back of this wall. And I'm sure it's been detected before. But hey, we're going to give it a try. Let's see. Alright, some metal. At least I know my machine's working. Alright, a doohickey thingamabobby thing. This place is full of trash. Here's a tip. If you use a plastic shovel, it'll help keep your hands clean. Oh, there it is. Yes, my second wheat penny. This is awesome. This must have been dropped when someone was enjoying an evening at the old drive-in movie. Wow, how cool is that? As I mentioned earlier, there are a few key dates on these wheat pennies, so check your collection. Here you see the top 10 most valuable US pennies. I can't guarantee the accuracy of this list, but it gives you an idea. There's always treasure out there. Never, ever give up. Well, that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed. I found all of 3 cents. But hey, 2 of them were wheat pennies, so that's pretty cool. The date on both of them were 1942. It didn't look like either of them were any key dates, but I can add them to my collection. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be traveling back to Germany in 1 week, so expect some more World War II metal detecting videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.